It is a cold minus 20 something morning. We're headed to get the rust done. So this, we got that. Yeah, it looks as brutal as it is. Okay, and most importantly that. Some cosmetic rust. This is our third attempt at getting it done. Let's see if we can find somebody who will do it for us. Says it can be done in a day, so yeah, I'll take it if it's 2 days. But we are on our way. Minus 30, yeah, minus 20, minus 30, whatever it is. It's damn cold. On our way to get the car's rust taken care of, and the drive is horrendous. Just awful. The roads seem clear, but they're super slick. Just a slight sheen of ice on top of them. Any quick moves, man, or any braking, and you're just out of luck. Oh, the hood on in order to escape the cold. Yes. Tell us about that drive.
Treacherous, frightening, white knuckle driving to get here. Like 45 minutes, icy roads. The LS was fishtailing, rear, wheel drive. We should have put some weight in the back. Didn't even think about it. Terrifying. Yeah. Yeah, the rest better be fixed and in good shape.
All right, it's in the garage now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here's what Alex, the guy who's doing it, works on. He's got that GT. What it called? It 3000? I think it's an old Mitsubishi. So he did say he had previously owned a C63, which made it without fishtailing, by the way.
I know, I figured.
And I was faster. I had to keep slowing down for you. Is that the car or the driver?
The car. No. I mean, I was like, I don't know what else I could have done. I think if we had weight in the back on it would have been a lot better. Yeah. But yeah, that was it's a wild ride.
Is this the weather you're talking about?
Yes. Look at that.
Where you can't see anything?
You can't see anything. There is a thin layer of ice covering the pavement. It looks dry, but it's not. It's all ice. And it's windy, as you can see with the snow drifts blowing across the road.
Yeah, and people with all-wheel drive passing us by fairly quickly. You are blocking the view. What have we done?
We got the rust fixed around the wheel wells.
You're gonna do the presentation, but first, is it that cold out?
It's cold. It's like minus 25. It's so cold. But we drove an hour pretty much edge of town to get it fixed, and he did a great job.
So let's see it. You gonna do the presentation?
Here it is. Drum roll. Here you go. Looking good.
Yeah. So he says it'll be buffed out. Now let's see the other side, which was even worse, remember?
Yeah.
All right, go
let's
on
go
over
here.
Okay. This is how the worst part. Shall we show them?
Yep. Look down here.
Yeah.
It looks new.
Definitely this part, you see the paint doesn't quite match.
Yeah.
We're going to have to buff that out.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what, right now when you're looking at the car, you don't notice it.
I don't notice it, to be honest.
You will in the sunlight. But
yeah.
It looks a whole lot better than the rust did.
It does. Oh my gosh.
So was it worth it?
Definitely worth it. And he said that he actually took it all the way down to the metal, and it wasn't rusted all the way down. So maybe
the metal is so thick that there was actually some to play with.
There was, yeah. So hopefully this will last for a while, and we can get the other little rust patches fixed on the car as well. So
cool.
Yeah.
What people do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna go inside because it's freezing. Thank you.